bafethu nina enijolana nalabantu bangaphandle anike nihambe niyovakashela umamezala nama-in-laws wenu ngale, anike niyoganela ngale, niye ukuganela eSouth Africa, because eSouth Africa ngingazi ukuthi mina if uthola umfana ukuganela kubo, anike niyogana ngale, like ningadayisi izwe lethu, anike niyobaganela ngale labantu, like nohlala nabantu basemzini benu ngale, like ningahlali lana, like take your things and live with these people, because nidayisa izwe lethu nina, nidayisa izwe lethu simply because anikwazi ukuvala amathanga. Nina you prefer ukuba bonondwayiza instead of saving your country. Like take your things and live with these people. Nihambe nohlala ngale, nivakashela ama-in-laws enu, because niyafana nabo manje, because how do you open legs for these people? Ukuqala banukisa South Africa. Yabona nje mawugibele nabe taxini uyazi ukuthi no, noma ungambonanga uyazi ukuthi yabona la kunuka ikhwaphalala abantu laba bangale. Please, like hambani oganela ngale, ningasicasuli thina eSouth Africa yethu, because thina we want iSouth Africa ngcono. Yabo labantu laba balimoshile izwe lethu, and the government is doing nothing about it. Government is side ayi ngasikaboni ukuthi kwenzakalani. Take your things and live with these people. Like,
hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. And so send a message to mantombazane la South Africa who are dating or married to ma foreigners. So uthi aningani ona kani kuyoganela ngale kuma in-laws zenu, aningani kuyohlola ama in-laws zenu. Why nifuna kushadela la South Africa, nishade ma foreign la South Africa, nipenze nihlale nabo la South Africa, because sadly ukuthi uma umuntu aganile uyohlala la aganele khona. Nini njengoba nigane ma foreigner but nihlala la South Africa, nawo lawo ma foreigner lawo aningane mavini alawo ma foreigner lawo. Hambe uhlala eNigeria if you are married to a Nigerian man, hambe uhlala eZim if you are married to umuntu waseZim, hambe uhlala eMaputo if you are married to umuntu waseMozambique. Kungani nifune kubagana la South Africa, nilobolane la South Africa, nishadele la South Africa, nihlale la South Africa, niyanini ngohlola ma in-laws enu? Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.